Welcome to the Go Trashy app walkthrough. First thing you're going to do is sign in. If you have not already signed in, you'll have the chance to sign up. To create an account, some basic personal information is needed for Go Trashy to send you text notifications when your job receives bids and when the provider is on their way to complete the job. Because of this, it is important that you put in accurate information, otherwise you will not receive these updates. The profile picture is optional, but is very helpful for the hauler to identify you at the pickup location. By putting in your debit or credit card information, once we get you a great price, all payments are made safely through the app, automatically once the job is complete. On the next screen, you're able to set up the job's location. This will auto-populate where you currently are, but if your job is across town at another location, you are able to set where you'd like it picked up. When loading your job, you're going to see that you can select job category, yard debris, or a quick haul. Then you can add pictures. Pictures are the most important part of adding your job. It is important to ensure that everything you want picked up is pictured, as the haulers are going to bid based on what's in the pictures. As an example, if you had a plastic bag, if that bag was full of leaves, it would be less expensive than if it was full of household debris. So taking a picture of what's inside of a bag, or in places where it's hard to see in the first picture, is important for ensuring you get an accurate quote. You can set your job time, whether today or in the future, along with the time of day that you would prefer. The comment section is an opportunity for you to share any additional information that you can. For example, the couch is a sleeper couch, or the television still works. Before you post your job, you will have the opportunity to make any changes or corrections. Please ensure that everything you've posted is accurate. If you believe you have hazardous materials, please disclose this in the notes. Now your job has been published and you are waiting for your bids. Once your first bid comes in, you'll be able to see the provider, their star rating, 1 through 5, with 5 being best, and their price. You can also see here at the bottom how much time is remaining for your bids. This price quoted is based on the pictures, and the hauler is saying that they will pick up all of the items pictured for that price. If you choose to add additional items, the hauler would adjust the price accordingly. As you continue to receive bids, we will order them by price so that you can see the lowest cost bid first. You will also be able to see the star rating for each one of the haulers, so that you can choose the bid and rating that fits your needs best. Once you've selected the provider, the job will be awarded and it will say accepted at the bottom of the screen. Once the provider is headed your direction, you will receive an updated status of on my way. You will receive the last status update of arrived once the provider has made it to the location. Once the job is done, you have the opportunity to leave a review for the provider. This lets the provider know what they did well and what opportunities they might have for the future, as well as let future customers know how well this provider performed for you. Thank you for taking the time and watching our tutorial video. We look forward to helping you eliminate unwanted stuff. And don't forget, go trashy, the easiest way to get rid of stuff. Have an amazing rest of your day.